loves, welcome back to my space. I'm back with another DIY today, and as you can see, these are totally different DIY tools like the normal ones that I have. So today I have conditioner, and then I have surgical spirit, as you can see on these on your screens. I also have this amazing cup that I have. If you are with me for Miss Tourism 2014, was it 2014? I still have the cup, and see what it does for me. It holds my Gillette and my brush. As you can tell from the title of this video, you already know I'm about to shave my head, and I want to tell you guys that I no longer go to the kinyozi. I no longer go to the barber. So I'm going to use running water for this DIY, and my Gillette, my brush, conditioner, and surgical spirit. Yeah. So this is going to be my workspace, and trust me, after this video it's going to be super messed up, but I love this. This is what we are achieving. Just look at this girl. Look at this girl. This is what we are going forward to having a bald head, like you know. So that's what we are going to achieve on this video. So stick around until the end of this video. As you can see, my hair has already overgrown. Like, I guess I've had this for the last 2 weeks or so. Yeah, 2 weeks actually. And if you're keen, you can see how messed up my hair was. I remember there was someone who commented on my previous video that my barber person did a very bad job balancing. Was it balancing my hair? And I was like, yo, do you even listen to what I say? Like I said, I had hair damage. Some people think that I'm having hair loss. Actually, it was my hair started weakening. So this is what I do nowadays. Yeah, I don't need to have that weak hair. So this is what we do. As you can see here, I'm applying this conditioner. The conditioner is going to work as a shaving cream. If you have shaving cream, you're good to go. You can use that for yourself. But for me, the hair conditioner makes it softer and easier to use. To shave. So this is what I do. I apply the hair conditioner patches. Like, you don't have to apply the entire head, just apply where you're shaving, and then we go in with our Gillette. As you can see, we go in with our Gillette, and guys, you need to be super careful. Let me tell you, if your hair has overgrown, you're going to have a very difficult time doing this, because this Gillette, the surface is very small. So it means that when you just go for one round, your Gillette is full of hair, and you have to remove it. So for my Gillette, this is not the first time I'm using this Gillette, so it's kind of a little blunt. It's not as sharper as it was before, but hey, again, with the sharper one, you need to be super careful, because you don't want to have cuts on your head. As I said, if your hair is super long, you're going to have to clean your Gillette after every shave, after every like one round of shaving. And how best is it? Just use the brush. You can be able to use the brush, or you can be able to use running water. So on my end, I was using both, because hey, I want to get that hair off my head. As I said, I've been having this for 2 years, so 2 weeks. I left my hair to grow for 2 weeks from the previous cut, or from the previous shave. And I know some people will be like, why are you shaving your head? And some people will be like, oh. So I get stares kobarabara, like literally ile design yenye you see someone just staring at you, and people are like, I also get people who come to me and be like, oh, you're looking good, oh, you're looking beautiful, oh, you're very brave, oh, you're looking super cute, you're brave to having this hair. I'm like, yo, to having this cut. I'm like, yo, guys, let's normalize someone choosing to have their cuts. Some people think I'm suffering from alopecia. Some think I'm a cancer survivor, because I wear my bald head. Like, I've had people who tap my back and be like, you're strong, and I'm like, yo, wait, what did that mean? You know, some people think I just had alopecia or hair loss, and I'm like, hey guys, it's just a preference. I just prefer, after I got hair damage, I just preferred to, or after I got, it's not even hair damage, it was after my hair started weakening, I decided to just go bald, and I love it. It's super super easy for me to shave. So guys, it's not that I'm suffering from any hair loss. It's not that I'm a cancer survivor or something. But hey guys, let's punguza the stairs. Like, you know, we usually go to town with my sister, and my sister will be like, wacha kumwangalia, wacha kumwangalia, because people will stare, like literally stare. But anyway, I love this. I love my new haircut, and this is what I do. As I said, this is a DIY. I don't have to go to spend a few minutes at the barber shop. Sometimes I do, sometimes I do. But the issue is, when I go to the barber, he'll be like, oh, usikate yote, we ni mwanamke, oh sijui, oh hapa mbele yako ni nyeusi sana, so when you cut, it looks like when you cut totally bald, it looks like hapa mbele ni kama haijabalansika. Oh, so I hate those opinions. I just came to your barbershop. I want you to cut my hair. I want it to be I want a clean shave, a super clean shave, and you're busy giving me opinions. So that's when I decided, to hell with this. See, I can do this with my Gillette. I have tried to do this with the shaving machine. It's easy, but I feel like with the shaving machine, the hair usually comes back very fast. So with the Gillette, it doesn't give me pressure. As I said, it's just one cut. If you have a sharper Gillette, or if it's your first time to use a Gillette on your hair, it's going to be super super easy, because you're just going to pull it down once. So a sharper Gillette will just make you go once. But for me, as you can see, I'm really trying to be gentle with my hair. And as I said, you have to apply this conditioner patches, like the places you want to shave. Because if you apply the entire head and you're not shaving the entire head at the same time, maybe it's going to dry or something. So you have to apply place in your una shave, and then go in it with the Gillette. If you're having you don't have to press it down long, like you know how you don't have to use force. Just a very soft shave, or just pitia tuju. Because if you go strong, if you hold your Gillette with a lot of force, if you put a lot of force to your hair, to your head, you might cut yourself. And trust me, the skin or your scalp, that kanini, you see your scalp, it's super super gentle. If I'm telling you, it's super gentle. So a little force on the Gillette, manze unajikata, you will jikata. Okay, so as I said, you just have to be gentle. You don't have to have a specific direction that you're following. Just shave. Bora shavike. You don't have to have a specific direction that you're following. And then, as I said, you'll have to be gentle. Don't use a lot of force, and use your hands. You see me, I'm shaving, and still my other hand is on my head, trying to fill the places that I still have here. You see, so that's me feeling any place that I feel like it's not shaved, and then I'll go back in with the Gillette. So you'll have to use your hands. If you have mirrors, you'll have to use a back and front mirror just to see your back. If you cannot feel your back, you'll need mirrors. And also, if you cannot do this by yourself, it's okay to ask for help. You can ask someone else to help you do it. But for me, hey, that's Superwoman. I go in, and the same, it's not my first time to do this shave with the Gillette. So I knew what I was doing, and I knew how I make it, you know, how I feel, how deep I go, or how, you know, I feel the places that I have difficulties, especially kwa kisogo, mahali hapa kwa kisogo, kuna mahali tu kwa kisogo inasumbuanga. I have some bump at the back. So that place is very stubborn, but again, we try. So yeah, that's what I do. You have to keep on brushing off your hair from the brush, and then, guys, after a few minutes, we are done. We are done after a few minutes. So it's time for you to now clean your head. Kwa kinyozi mnatumianga maji moto, hapa tunatumia baridi. Like, you know, I feel that sensation of like a breeze, that a cool breeze when you try to use cold water on a fresh cut. Like, it's amazing, guys. Let me tell you, it's amazing. So just go in and remove all the conditioner or the shaving cream, whatever you're using. You just go ahead and do this. You're not limited to using hot water, cold water. You can use hot water. It's all about your preference. So at this point, I was done. Just look at that, clean shaven. Like, yo, clean shaven. I love how it turned out. As you can see, I love this. I was just ensuring that after shaving my, I've worked on also my baby hairs, because where unaweza shave alafu hapa kwa masikio umeacha tu tunywele tumesimama unakaa wazimu, yeah. So that's me. This is my new life. A very random DIY. I know this is not the usual DIYs you have, but again, as said, I'm going to be documenting everything that I'm doing in my life. Remember me telling you that? So this is me documenting how I cut my hair. And guys, we are done. Tell me you don't like this. Just tell me, you know, again, as I said, it's my preference. It's not that I'm suffering from hair loss. It's not that I have a condition or anything. Guys, it's just me wanting to have this hair. Nana feel fitty. Then comes in this surgical spirit, guys. Surgical spirit. Let me tell you, they're cuts. As I said, sometimes you might have some random cuts. This is me reacting to that spirit, because it feels, you feel that kauchungu, but again, it's just for a minute. That's a place maybe where you had a small cut or something. It's just for a minute, and then now the cool breeze, you know, you feel that sensation, the cool breeze. You feel, hey guys, it's amazing. It's soothing. The spirit helps you to soothe your skin. It prevents you from having shaving bumps. It also enhances fast healing to any cuts that you might have had on your end. So guys, this is the last step of this shaving. Ebu tell me you don't like this Nikuone. Ebu just say you don't like it. Because for me, I love this. It's easy, it's quick, fast, and cute. You know, there's someone who will tell me, oh, okay, I wish ningekuwa na kichwa ya kama yako. Guys, it's not about the head. It's not about the shape of the head. It's about how you feel about yourself. You know, it's not about the shape of the head. But Mimi, I love this. I love this, and I rock this look anytime, any day. I'll leave it to grow for 1 to 2 weeks. 2 weeks it overgrow. But hey, if it's on a random Sunday or my off day and I feel like, hey, inywele nimeanza kujikuna or na feel sijui aje, I'll go ahead and shave with my Gillette. And just look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I just love how it looks. Someone asked me, are you going to be braiding your hair soon? And I was like, I'll think. Are you going to keep long hair soon? I'll be like, I'm thinking about it. And hey, hii luku nayo mtazoea, mtaniona mtaani ni sawa tu, but hizo stress zenu jamanini mpunguze. Niko sawa, it's just me, it's just preference, and I love this haircut, you know. Msianze kuniambia kipara bila pesa kidonda. Hii yangu si kipara, my friend. Hii yangu ni short hair. So guys, as I told you, this area is going to be messy. Just look at that. Two hairs are everywhere. I feel like this was the best place for me to do a haircut, because I don't want to have all this hair on any other surface in the house. So that's why I said the sink area is the best place. Then we go ahead and clean out the working space, and also clean the Gillette just like that, because we'll use it again. We're going to use it again. You're going to see these Gillettes mara nyingi sana until I decide otherwise. I'm keeping this hairstyle for some time. I'm keeping my bald head for some time. Maybe I'll go back to having long hair, or maybe I'll grow back my hair or not. I can't promise, but for now, let's enjoy this. Yeah, Nairobi mnanilipisha 150 kunyoa kipara, my friends. Na Gillette nitanunua pesa kidogo na nitumie maji na conditioner. Anyway guys, this is just me, you know, loving to do things by myself, being a DIY lover. And I decided I'm not going to pay 150 after every 1 week, guys, because I don't know why short hair grow really fast. When you have long hair, you never see growth. Like, you're always combing your hair and you're like, oh, mbona imei haifiki kwa shoulder length. But when you have short hair, guys, let me tell you, short hair is super difficult to maintain. I know someone will tell me, oh, long hair because you have to shuka. You know, long hair you can shuka braids for a whole month. But with short hair, it grows super fast, and then it becomes a place and you're like, inanichuna chuna najikuna. So you find yourself, like for me, I find myself shaving after 1 week or 2 weeks. So imagine every 2 weeks 150, every 1 week 150. That's a lot of money. 150 times 4 weeks in a month. That is a lot of money just to have a bald head, you know. So that's why I decided to use Gillette. Well, make sure you clean your Gillette kabisa. Remove all nywelles that have stuck on it, just by brushing it out, and also using running water. You know, running water helps a lot. So that this is me just cleaning my tools, because I'll be needing them very soon. After this video, just a week or two, I'll be needing them. So I'll need to keep them safe. I'll need to keep them clean and enjoy shaving my hair again and again and again and again and again and again. So don't give up on brushing the hair out. Zenye zimekoma kwa Gillette, zenye maji haitoi, you need that brush. And also when you're shaving, you also need to do this as many times as possible. So if you see me kwa barabara with this hairstyle, just know that it was a DIY. It was a DIY. Usikuje kwanza kuniambia kinyozi wako. Kwanza nyinyi mna comment mnaniambia oh kinyozi wako did not do a good job. Sijui nini. Wewe. It's me. I'm the kinyozi. I'm everything. You know that I also know how to braid hair. But guys, I feel like shaving is super easy than compared to when I was doing braids, because I could spend a lot of hours. Saizi tuni hivo mosho moja. Mosho moja. Just look at that. Just look at how it turned out. You know, I love this. Just look at that. Look how clean shaven it is. And then just see the bark. You see the where I was saying I have bumps, and then this ka black nini usikuja kuniambia niliacha nywele. No, si nywele. I had a kaichi pimple that I scratched, and ikabakisha kidonda, ikabakisha something when I was having long hair, you know. So that's it. That's it. This is me, a bald head, you know. Thank you so much for joining into this madness of mine, onto the, you know. Thank you so much for watching today. I truly appreciate. And guys, it's a bald head that I love. We just achieved this, and I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.